Hello and happy Sunday. So today we are going to start off with the get up sit downs. And I'm just going to demonstrate that with this little step stool I brought up from my kitchen. I'm back in the studio today. All right, so for 1 minute, feet hip distance, maybe even a little bit wider than hip distance, just a nice strong stance, okay? You're going to sit down. Ready? 1 minute. You're just going to get up and then sit down. All right, now see how I'm kind of plopping myself down? Like I'm just going to sit down. All right, we're going to do that for 1 minute. You can do that, just plop and like weight your bum. A weighted sit down, so really sitting down. Or, right, you can just like tap and lift. All right, we've got 1 minute. Ready? Let's go. Now the name of the game here is to always look forward. Remember, looking ahead, all right? Tomorrow is the start of a new week, all right? So you're gonna sit down and get up. You can do this on any chair in your kitchen. You can do this on a little step stool if you've got one, okay? It's get down and sit up. So it's stand up and sit down. All right? The get up and the sit downs. So see how I changed it a little bit there? I kind of sat down a little bit more heavily, or I can tap. You got about 10 more. Ready? 10. You've got this. Keep your arms nice and strong in a circle. 8. Inhale and exhale. 7. Inhale, exhale. 6. Inhale, exhale. 5. 4 more. Stare straight ahead. 3 more. And 2. Nice job. Last one. Awesome job. Take a little break. I'm going to move this step stool over. Plank to pike, 1 minute. Ready, guys? Stand at the edge of the mat. Breathe in. Circle those arms back. Flat back, forward fold. Bend the knees. Walk your hands out to a plank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, plank, and exhale, pike. Breathing in. You've got this. Exhale. Inhale, plank, and exhale, pike up. Good job. About 45 more seconds. So you're looking forward in plank. You're looking down in the pike. One straight line and a big upside down V. Breathe in, look ahead. Exhale, look down. You got about 10 more. Plank, pike, 9. Good, pull that stomach in. 8. Woo, just felt my back crack, feels so good. Don't forget, continue to squeeze those legs, guys. 6 more. Up, breathe in, breathe out. 5. Plank to pike. 4. Plank, scoop up. 3. Inhale, strong arms, strong legs. 2. And last 1. Okay, good. Next exercise is the forearm plank. We're gonna get right to it. Ready? Set, go. Squeeze your legs, squeeze your bum behind you. Fingertips this time in front of the elbows. 1 minute. Breathe. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You've got this. You can do it. We're all in this together. Just try to keep these 10 minutes up every day. Exhale. Try to eat healthily. Every 3 to 4 hours, mini meals, protein, carb, and healthy fat. Inhale and exhale. You're halfway through. Every time you exhale, remember, you pull that stomach up and in. Squeeze your legs, squeeze your bum, please. Breathe in, breathe out. Exhale. 10 seconds. 9. Shoulders are together. Pull your stomach up and in. Squeeze your legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Take a little break. Now, 3 moves down. 7 to go. Woo! Now, this time we're going to step back with the right lunge. So what that means is you're here, feet hip distance. 1 minute, you're just going to step back and step forward. Right foot only. Ready, set, and begin. right foot, right foot. Try to stare straight ahead. Stare at something that does not move in the room. It's step back lunge. Right foot for 1 minute. Woo, good job. Right foot. Step back. Halfway. I know. Woo. I don't want to lose my balance. Arms in a T. Try to hold that balance. Come on. That front leg should be working very hard. Almost as much as the moving leg. Remember we talked about supporting muscles, stabilizing muscles, and mobilizing muscles? Classic example of this, right? Yep. Woo! 4, 3, just try this at home. 2, big step back. Last one, switch legs 1 minute. Back. Bring it in. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Nice job, guys. You're 15 seconds in already. The front heel is digging down, shoulders are back. Chest is up and open. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Big step back. Staring straight ahead. Shoulders are nice and back, nice and squeezed. Step back, bring it in. You got about 8 more. 7, 6, you can do it. 5, come on. 4, step back lunge. 3, 2, and last one. Nice job. Okay, right side plank. Ready? Here we go. Whoops, my step stool in the camera here. Okay, so on my left elbow actually, sorry about that, right side plank, meaning right arm up, and begin. Now hold this plank for 60 seconds, all right? You can do it, remember, inner thighs, squeezing tight, look down at the left hand, breathing in and out, and in, and out. Great job, guys. You've got this. You can bring your right hand behind your head, elbow wide. You can bring your right arm over, so you create that length from the heels to my right fingertips, or you can just keep it straight up. You're doing great. Hold on, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. Left arm up, right elbow on the mat or the floor. Squeezing the legs. Remember, you can change your foot position, right, to stacked feet. You can sweep the top leg up if you want to be a rock star, or you can drop the lower knee. Whatever you choose to do, just be happy with that decision. I really like staggered stance myself because it just helps me squeeze the inner thighs to get more of that core strength. All right, you're about halfway through. Side planks are so good for your back. You're doing great. Woo! 20 seconds left. I'm watching that clock. It's right behind me. Over that way. I told you I got a good clock now. Looking down at the right elbow or not. Squeeze those inner thighs or not. Woo! Pull the stomach in or not. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Okay. Back up to standing. You ready? Now, we're gonna do warrior 1 to warrior 2. Really favorite move of mine. So a warrior is just a lunge, right? But the back heel is planted and the back leg is super straight. So my right knee's in front, okay? My hips wanna face toward the left. I'm gonna pull my stomach in and try to look ahead to the right. So my left leg is squeezing super straight. Inner thigh and glutes are really working. Pull your stomach in and go this way. 1 minute, this is a really good one, guys. 1 minute, you're gonna do warrior 1 to warrior 2. That's all it is. Try to pull your stomach in, okay? Here we go. Warrior 1, warrior 2. Try to stay in your warrior 1 minute. Warrior 1, warrior 2. Slowly. And 1, and 2. Good, and 1, and 2. Whatever you want to do with your arms. Sometimes we kind of namaste, then turn and lift. Okay? Or other times we just sweep them open and sweep them up tall. You get about 5 more. 5. This is hard. 4. You got it. Woo. 3, 2, keep that back leg strong. Great work, you guys. Last one. Whew. Warrior 1, warrior 2. Try the other side. That is a good one. Here we go. Left foot forward, right heel planted. Right leg is squeezing. Right leg is straight. My hips want to go this way, but I'm going to pull my stomach in and look straight. Try to pivot them straight ahead. 1 minute, warrior 1. Okay. Warrior 2. Squeezing your stomach up and in. Warrior 1. Look up. Nice job. Warrior 2. Keep that back leg glued. Warrior 1. Warrior 2. Isn't it amazing how when you slow things down like that 1 minute is so long? Warrior 1. I totally hear you. Warrior 2. Oh boy. And 1. Doing great, guys. Look up. Warrior 2. Whew. Good. You've got 20 more seconds left. Can you believe it? Warrior 1. Good. That front leg is working. Warrior 2. Nice job. Warrior 1. Try 3 more. Warrior 2. 2 more. Warrior 2. And last 1. And 2. Hold. And you're done. Great job. That was really tough work today. So the last exercise we're going to do is 1 minute. Feet can be hip distance. You're just going to stretch right side bend, standing side bend, and left standing side bend. Okay? Here we go. So it's right. Whoops. Step more forward to the camera. You can see my whole body here rotating. Interesting. 1 minute. Try to get a little deeper every time. Half of the minute, we're just going to do one arm up, and half the minute, we'll try to stretch both arms up. How about that? So squeeze those legs. Great job. Try 4 more here. You're doing great. You're already halfway through. 3, 2, 1. Both arms up. Side bend. Inhale. Exhale, side bend. Inhale. Side bend. 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Take a little break, open those arms up, look back, mini back bend here, squeeze your legs, and release. Great job today, guys. Proud of you. Have a great day.